All right, let's go through the homework quiz stuff. Okay, what would be the proper signature for this one? 3, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, this one. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. This one's 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Could you do this with a quarter? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Most likely you'll see this, but that's not unheard of. And how about this one? 2, 4, 1 and 2, and 2. You could make it 4, 8 if you really wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Not unheard of. This one you can just look for the answers for, what the value of the beat is. So what it's saying is that if you have, the value for one beat, what's one beat is the quarter note, and the half of a beat or division of it is the eighth note. This is that's the beat. That's the half a beat. Beat, half beat, beat, half beat. That's all it's asking. All right, so how about this one? There's two answers it could be. It could be either 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do it as 2, 2. 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2. The next one is really only one answer. That's 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. That's it. That's the only way you can do it. This one is only one answer, and that's 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and. Last one is 2, 4. 1 and 2, and 1, 2, and 1, and 2. Could you do this as eighth note? Yes, you can. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. All right. This can either be as 4, 4. It could be 1, 2, E, and A. 3, 4. 1, E, and A. 2, 3, 4, and. You could make this as a 2, 2. If you wanted to. Be crazy rhythms here. Be really hard to count because this is be beat 1. That'd be beat 2. This one it can only be 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. This one can be either 2, 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, E and A. 1 and 2 and. or can be 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, it can only be 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good. This is when you find the answer, but basically it's just saying these are the beats, and that's the subdivisions of it. It's half the beats. Okay, last page. This will be in 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and. All right, this could be in 2, 4. 1 E and 2 and 1, 2 E and or it can be in 4, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Next one is going to be in 3, 4, and that's the only way it can be. It can only be in 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, E, and 1, 2, 3, and. The last one is only one answer. It's 3, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's it. And I will see you guys next time.